Welcome viewers. Now we cover goods part 2, the collateral. What are the important aspects? Let us look at some of the aspects when we talk about goods. Maintaining adequate margin on a stock value is very important. Similarly, unpaid stock has to be removed from a security value. In case of default, banker can directly sell goods hypothecated to the bank under the Sarfarasi Act 2002. And if the charge is created by way of pledge, bank can sell such goods as per the Indian Contract Act. Let's look at some of the essentials of document of title to goods. Mere possession of documents of title to goods creates a right to possess the goods. Another thing is, though the instruments transferable by endorsement, they are not negotiable instruments since the transferee can be effected by defects in title. Examples of such instruments like bill of lading, railway receipts, delivery orders, warehouse receipts, etc. Now bank has to take certain precautions. The documents must be examined thoroughly. In case of bill of lading, all 3 copies are to be obtained since it is prepared in triplicate. To check whether the documents of title contains any onerous clause, and lastly, to ensure that goods are adequately insured against loss by theft, fire, damage in transit, marine risk, wherever applicable. Now look at some of the merits and demerits. The merits is goods can be pledged by mere pledge of instrument, goods can be transferable by transfer of instruments and delivery, and documents are easily transferable with minimum formalities. Demerits: the documents of title do not certify, guarantee correctness and genuineness of goods. No physical control on security and hence cannot be relied. Another demerit is banker may demand for additional immovable security in addition to goods due to its demerits. Let's look some of the questions. Now we have to analyze whether state which of the following statements are false. In case of default, banker can directly sell goods hypothecated to bank under Sarfarasi Act 2002. If the charge is credited by way of pledge, bank can sell such goods as per Indian Contract Act. Next, in case of default, banker can directly sell goods pledged to the bank under Sarfarasi Act 2002. And lastly, banks should thoroughly examine the documents of titles of goods. And the answer is C, that is, in case of default, banker can directly sell goods pledged to the bank under Sarfarasi Act 2002. Another thing, the next question, one of the following is not an example of a document of titles in case of stock: bill of lading, bill of exchange, railway receipt or delivery order. B, bill of exchange. It is not an example of document in title in case of stock. Let's look at about the following statement, whether it is true or false. Banks can fund against unpaid stock. True or false? False, bank cannot fund. So that concludes our session, and in next session we'll cover LIP. Thank you.